today's video, we're going to be talking about brined chicken. Start with the breakdown. First thing we're going to do is take the spine out of the bird. It's going to be with a little incision down each side of the spine, finding that hip joint there at the leg. Down the other side, through the hip joint, pulls right out. Snap the wishbones. So the next part, we're going to take the rib cage out, whole interior breastplate. That's going to be with a series of down cuts, finding the breastplate, just running the knife right along the breastplate, separating the meat from the bone. A little trim job on those legs, get some fat off of there. And we're going to take and we're going to separate these into quarters. Hairline breasts. Real quick, I'm going to take and break these down: leg, thigh, breast, wing. I'll show you why when we do our second breakdown here. So let's see that one more time. So we're going to go down the spine on either side. Pull the spine out. These are lovely, roasted all by themselves. Okay, down cuts, separate the breastplate, the rib cage. Now this one we're going to go leg, thigh, separate the wings. Separate the wings just right at the joint. It's got wings, legs, breast, thighs. So those are the thighs and breasts there. Wings and legs. Bones. Just prep the bones real easy. Carrots, onions, garlic. Throw those in the oven. Wings and legs, sweet chili style. Little overnight marinade on the Traeger. Check the blog for how to finish those. Lemon rosemary breasts and thighs. The kids love these things. Start with 2 lemons off the tree, a little bit of rosemary, some garlic. Mince everything up real nice. Zest, juice, olive oil, little pepper, mix it up. Add in those thighs, bone in, breasts, those are boneless breasts. Let that chill overnight. Into the Traeger. Finally, these were just a little snack that I ate after I shot this video. Just a little oven roast. That's your chicken video. Check the blog for follow-up stories about this video. Thanks for watching.